Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to change chat theme in Messenger. So to begin the process, open the Messenger application first. Now once you open the Messenger application, you tap open the conversation to which you want to change the chat theme. I'm just go with the top one, tap open the conversation field. Here, once you're at this page, you tap on eye icon on the top right, tap that. This will give you the option to change or make changes in the conversation in between you and the other person. For you to change the theme, you just tap on the theme option inside customization, tap that, and here you will be able to select the theme that you want in this chat. So I'm just gonna go with the Coachella. You can see the preview as well for how it will look on the conversation. If you do not want this, you tap on cancel. Now you can try a different one. I'm gonna go with the sky. So this will how it look in chat. If you are okay with this chat theme, you tap on select. As you can see, the theme of this conversation box has been changed to the sky theme. So this is the way how you can easily change chat theme in Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.